What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you have the P365 with the light laser TLR-6 and you need a holster for it, check this out. I just picked up from Concealment Express this holster. It's KYDEX. It's really nice. I've really loved everything that I've gotten from Concealment Express before. They just make some really high quality products, so I know that what I'm getting. Now, I picked this up because this is an outside the waistband holster. This is something that I am planning on taking with me on my next desert trip. That's why I got it in Coyote. This is P365 and I have the TLR-6 laser light on it, which I really like because it's just a light that I can use only when I want it. But because I needed to hike with it, I wanted something on the outside of the waistband, and this one looks like it fits the bill. So beautiful KYDEX here. You can see here, the nice thing about it is they recess all of your screws in there, so you have nothing touching your weapon. You have a little bit of adjustment on the screws right here if you need them, and it's open on the bottom. This is a paddle holster, so it should fit pretty much any belt, and so I can slip it on without undressing. And it also has a little sweat guard right there. Now, the big piece of this is that it is molded for the 365 with the TLR-6 on it. So I just want to see if this is going to fit. First time test fit in this bad boy. So here it is, pressed in there, fits great. I will tell you that when I first got this and I didn't have the TLR-6 on it, I put it in the holster and it wouldn't hold the pistol in. So it's really grabbing down here on the light itself, which is kind of nice. So the pistol would just fall out. What you can see here is it's not impinging on the front sight at all, and it's covering up the grip as well as a little cutout, a little debossed area here for the mag release. And then you can see here everything is nicely protected, everything's nicely recessed. You can see that we've got a little wrap around the light itself, so that should be nice. And then when you do need it, just pull it out just like that. So a nice, great product from Concealment Express, something you can wear on your hip. You see the sweat guard goes right up there. You want to pick up this holster, I will put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.